MyIllumina is a great resource for viewing and managing shipments. Let's take a look at how to view upcoming shipments within MyIllumina. To get started, log into your MyIllumina account. After you log in, select the Order Management tab along the top ribbon. This will bring up the Overview page. From the Overview page, you can get an immediate look at your most recent shipments. This includes ship date, packing slip number, order number, status, carrier, PO number, and order date. You can also click View All Shipments to go directly to the Shipments page, or you can select that at the top of the navigation bar. From this page, the same information is displayed below. You can filter results, including searching by order number, PO number, packing slip number, or entering those numbers in the search field.